Non, là, il est pas, il est au fond, là. Il est pas au fond. Depuis, ça commence là.
Okay, dinner is ready, y'all. Hi, Fifths. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. You guys, happy Sunday. It's a bright and beautiful day outside. The rain from yesterday has subsided. It's looking beautiful. It's Easter Sunday, by the way, so we are heading to church. Because I missed Palm Sunday last week, so I decided I'm not going to miss church this week. And Tyler woke up super early. At 7 a.m. he was up and calling me, and I made it through to 7:30, and I was like, okay, all right, I'm gonna go pick him up now. He's actually behind me already having breakfast. Baby's still in bed because it's not yet time to head out, but because Tyler woke up early, I just decided that, you know what, let's just get me and him ready. That way we can be smooth and babe can wake up and have breakfast and get ready and stuff like that. So yeah, that's what's up right now. Hopefully you guys have an amazing day, whatever time of the day you guys are watching this, or whichever day that it is. Have a wonderful day. Make it productive, make it blessed, make it beautiful. Stay smiling, stay humble, stay away from negative people, because you don't need that, honey. All right, we love you guys. Catch up and keep up. Subscribe if you are new. We are heading out to church. Let me let you guys say good morning to this handsome boy, which is all ready for church. Can you say morning, Faves? You're eating toast. Say good morning, Faves. You're enjoying your toast and watching what you're watching. What are you watching on the TV?
I'm watching a Peppa Pig.
So there you guys have it. He's eating toast, watching Peppa Pig, and we'll be heading out to church. So that's it from my handsome boy and I, and you guys will see babe as soon as he wakes up. If you guys hear a noise in the background, I am actually pressuring peas because I'm making rice and peas today. I have a bunch of guests coming over for dinner, some sweet neighbors that I met, and I invite them over for dinner. So yeah, that's going to go down today. I'm just going to cook up a storm and let everybody eat and have a good time and get to know each other and stuff like that. So today will be an awesome day after church, cooking and just having a wonderful day. You guys, I'm finally ready. Finally ready, and let me show you guys my outfit of the day, what I'm wearing. Let's see if I can find a good spot to show you guys what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing just this simple top and this brown skirt. Yes, guys. Here with a black leggings and a brown boots. So that's my outfit of the day. Church ready, church ready. Let me show you Tyler outfit of the day. Tyler wearing brown shoes, dark pants, and checkered shirt. Hey, you ready for church? Ready for church? This boy started to get so feisty with his lip. I said, Tyler, take a picture for mama. No! Take a picture for mama. No! I can't get him to take a picture these days. No? Okay, fine. You're mean. Meanie. Move up. You guys, he's finally awake. Finally awake.
Yeah, I want you to sleep. Hi guys, it's dark.
Because I'm at the wrong spot for lighting.
Yeah,
Let's see.
you're bad. Oh, it's dark. It's
Wait,
black.
it's blurry now.
Hi guys and happy Sunday. I needed some sleep. Well, I needed some sleep, but I had to wake up at 9, so it's not like if I slept.
Well, how about me that wake up at 7?
Yeah, because this little boy.
Anyway, you guys, let me show you guys babe outfit of the day. Stand up. So baby is wearing this brown checkered top like Tyler, but Tyler one is blue, brown pants, and brown and white shoes. So there we go. The fam bam is ready. Oh, and by the way, I paired my outfit with this jacket because it's just a little bit chilly, and I know I might want it in church. So yeah, that's what's going on right now.
Above all, it can be seen and must be seen as a sacrifice. That's why it refers to the body and blood. And so we come to the crucifixion, the symbol of our faith.
Church was amazing. Church was really good today. I'm eating chocolate because Tyler went chocolate egg hunt. But all the big kids found them before him because he went a little bit late. Because we didn't really plan on staying. But a lady came and realized that he didn't found any and gave him a bag, and one of the elder boys also gave him a bag of what he found. So that was really nice of them. Yeah, so church was good. Church was really good. Today's lesson was about the crucifixion of Jesus Christ and how Mary had found the tomb when he was risen and all that good stuff, and how he gave his disciples the bread and the wine and all that stuff. That was what today's lesson was about. So church was good, and now we're on our way home. It's Sunday. I have a lot of cooking to do, and yeah, just let's see what the rest of the day is going to be filled with. It's so beautiful out today. The sun is boiling hot. A lot of tourists is out, as you guys can see. A lot of people on these streets. It's Easter weekend. A lot of people out. Baby's crazy about the color of the water, how blue the sea is. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. Very, very beautiful day. You don't even want any jacket. Look at all these people dying on the outside. Beautiful day in our city. So pretty. I remember last year this time we didn't need any jacket, and this is how I'm feeling in the car right now. It's hot. Look at the degree. Let me see if you guys can see how much it is. There we go. 25. Cooking has commenced. It has begun. Rice and peas is bubbling here. So that looks good. And now I have here seasoned a whole chicken I have some fish, and then I have some chicken legs here which I'm gonna fry after. So first I'm gonna put this in the oven right now. OMG, you guys, I've been in this kitchen for the past maybe 1 hour and a half, 2 hours. My guest says that they'll be a little bit late, but that's okay. Oh, my hair look white. I finished cooking, so that's very important. I finished cooking, but just by cooking all this food, I feel full already. I don't think I'll be eating much, but let me just show you guys all the things that I've prepared. Okay, so let's start with in here. There goes some fried chicken in there. All right, this is fish in coconut sauce. I did some fried dumplings, and there goes rice and peas. That's the sauce over there for the rice and peas. There's some salad here, and there's some fresh strawberries here, and in here I have some steamed veggies, and in the oven there's a chicken right there. So there we go, everything is all done. Ooh, lens foggy. There's a chicken. So yeah, that's that, and we're just waiting on our guests right now. I actually set the table already, so let me show you guys. I think we're expecting 4 persons, so there'll be 6 of us. So there goes table, it's all set. No, no. Okay, dinner is ready, y'all.
Mais il n'y a pas de. Non, il n'y a que ça, c'est jamais. Il y a ça,
No, you look like Eminem.
Eminem? Yeah, I like Eminem. You like Eminem?
I know you don't like when I say that.
You like Eminem?
I love Eminem. I forget to buy it Saturday.
Yeah, I love Eminem too.
Anyway, you guys, me mash up. And there you guys have the Jamaican expression for today. Me mash up. Simple means I am tired, I am done out, and I have no use to myself. I'm tired. It was all worth it though. So the Jamaican expression. Honey.
Oh, me mash up.
Me mash up.
Me mash up.
Yes.
Me mash up.
What's the French expression for today?
Prends la porte.
Take the door?
Yeah.
Okay, what does that mean?
Go out.
Ah?
Get out.
To get out?
Yeah, to
Okay.
go out. When you say to somebody, take the door, mean leave the room.
Oh,
Go
okay. Okay, that makes sense.
Understand? So if I say, baby, prends la porte, it's not a good way of saying.
Yeah, I see
Go
what you
out.
mean. Yeah, it's like in an angry, upsetting way.
Yeah.
Okay, I see what you mean. You guys, we had an amazing day, amazing night, amazing afternoon with our neighbors, and they ate a lot of food, and they even took home some. They're the sweetest. I'm happy that we have those kind of neighbors when we found them. Tala is off the bed, and as you can see, we are in bed and heading to sleep right now.
Oh,
Anyway, you guys,
completely.
trust me, my back is hurting, or part of me is hurting. If it's your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Catch up and keep up, and see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we won't be this tired.
It's gonna be a good day.
Yeah, hopefully.
Have a lot of things.
Alright, you guys. Bye.